Hey guys, this is Sahil and welcome to this exclusive episode of Weekly Mastermind where we are going to look up at what was the condition of market in the second week of June, as well as we will head up towards what we can expect in upcoming week of June, that is the third week. So Weekly Mastermind for 11th of June 2023, where we are going to look up at first market index, what are the current outperforming as well as underperforming sectors, the previous week's weekly gainers and losers, what are the current trending stocks, what are the stocks which we can track for upcoming week, as well as some of the cup pattern stocks like previous itself. So on market index, as you can see, all the indices have given the flattish movement. There is no such sign of bullishness or even the bearishness as well. Completely flattish as of now. There are no such signs of panicness as well. On Nifty 50, as you can see, monthly is above 60, weekly has resisted around 60 itself, and on daily it has taken 60 halt. So hopefully in upcoming week, if it sustains above 60, then we can see on weekly it can take 60 breakout and we will have new trend on Nifty 50, as well as we can expect all-time high zone. And similarly on Bank Nifty, monthly is above 60, weekly is consolidating since last 4 weeks, and on daily right now on Friday it has taken a perfect halt on moving average, but it has broken 60 on the downside. And hopefully in upcoming week, if it performs well, then we can expect all-time high zone again on Bank Nifty with 60 breakout, and it can take like monthly, weekly, daily all above 60. And if we go for sector wise, then IT was the worst performer in last 1 week. Rest like auto, metal, and energy and infra and reality, these are the five sectors which performed well in last 1 week. Rest were completely on the downside, like FMCG, pharma. Pharma was also kind of flattish, and media was on the lower side. If we look up at IT, then monthly, weekly, daily, all are between 40-60 and below moving average. As of now, we can completely avoid this sector. Similarly, like at this point of time, as I mentioned, that was a value buying movement, but as of now, it has also broken that range of value buying zone. Next is Nifty Auto, monthly, weekly, daily, all above 60. And eventually in last 1 week, since last 4 days, it was like it gave a good move. But on last 2 days, it gave a slighter retracement, based on which we can have further momentum on upside. This is also one of the strongest sector. Next is Nifty Metal, monthly, above moving average, about to break out of 60, around 57 itself. Weekly is also freshly, you can consider breaking out the moving average in last 3 weeks. And right now, we can expect further momentum on the upside. And even on daily, it is you can consider resisting, because the long-term trend as well as the medium-term trend are completely in a consolidation zone. So based on which it will have to take some strength on the daily chart in order to pull the weekly as well as monthly on the upside. Next is Nifty FMCG, monthly, weekly, daily, all above 60, and on daily it can take 60 support in upcoming week, based on which we can expect further momentum on FMCG sector as well. Next is Nifty Energy, monthly, weekly, complete between 40-60, and on daily it has resisted 60. And along with that, we have positive reverse divergence, that is PRD, on daily chart. So as of now, we can completely avoid energy sector. Next is pharma, monthly, around moving average between 40-60. On weekly, it has taken a halt as well as resistance on the weekly chart with RSI 60 resistance, and on daily it is around the zone of 60. So as of now, we can take it on tracking. Next is Nifty Infra, monthly, weekly, daily, all are above 60. So this can also be one of the outperforming sectors in upcoming week. Next is Realty, fresh breakout on monthly, weekly, and daily are already sustaining above 60. So this can also be one of the most trending stock in upcoming week. Next is Nifty Media. This is kind of complete value buying, because on monthly it is around 40, and on daily as well as weekly between 40-60. So this can be value buying, not a momentum based sector. Next is some of the weekly best performers. JSW Steel has given the movement by 5.93. LT has given the range by 5.75. Similarly, Axis Bank, Tata Motors, Britannia, NTPC, and Power Grid, these are some of the best performers in last 1 week. Similarly, the worst performers, Tech Mahindra, movement by 5.35 on the downside, Kotak Bank 3.44. Similarly, IBL Housing Finance, Eicher Motors, Hindustan Unilever, TCS, and Infosys, these are like some of them are from IT itself, IT sector, which have given the momentum on the lower side. Next is some of the trend following stocks, which are monthly, weekly, and daily above 60. First is PFC, and on this stock as well, we took a swing trade, which I'll be posting in upcoming few days. Although like previous 3 to 4 weeks back also I promised, but due to some of the technical glitches, I was unable to post it on time. So this time I promise that in upcoming week, I'll be posting our trades, like whichever trades we executed. Although I was posting on reels, I was posting on shorts that these are the trades which we are entering. Even I was posting the exact entry price as well as stop loss price. But in that upcoming video, I'll be giving in-depth analysis on where did we entered, where did we exited, and what is the total amount of profit and loss which we made in last 10 days. Next is Chola Finance. This is also monthly, weekly, and daily above 60, and based on like you can consider moving average support or squeeze open on the upside, we can enter fresh once again on Chola Finance. Next is Apollo Tires, completely above 60 on the lower time frame. We can go for 60 breakout on hourly and 15-minute chart, based on which we can enter the trade. Next is Glenmark. On this stock as well, we executed the trade and we made good amount of returns on this as well. Next is Axis Bank. This was also the stock. This from the Monday onwards itself, like Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, in 3 days itself, we executed the trade as well as we exited. And how we entered as well as exited, that's what I'm going to share in upcoming video. So Axis Bank is also one of the most performing most as well as best performing stock since last so many weeks. Next is some of the tracking stocks which we can track for upcoming week. First is AB Capital, monthly, weekly, above 60, and on daily. It is resisting around the same zone, and even in last 1 week, this was the stock which was on the tracking list itself. Again, in last 1 week, it was resisting as well as it was consolidating. So as of now, once it breaks out of 60 on the daily chart, we can have fresh trade on this. Next is AU Bank. Monthly has freshly broken out of 60. Weekly, it is retracing back with indecisive candles. And on daily, it is about to freshly break out of 60 based on moving average support as well. Next is HDFC Life, monthly between 40-60, and on weekly, it can take 60 breakout if it takes support of 60 as well as moving average on daily chart. So this is also one of the stocks which we can track for upcoming week. Next is Manappuram, monthly, weekly, as well as daily, all are between 40-60, but on daily, as you can see, on daily, the squeeze has opened up, and once it breaks out of 60, then we can absolutely take trade based on system 3, not like monthly and weekly confirmation, but just on daily. This can be like a contra trade. Next is ITC. This was like the hottest stock, you can consider hottest topic since last so many weeks, but since last 2 to 3 weeks, it is consolidating within the same range, as well as it has freshly broken down. And hopefully in upcoming week, once it breaks out of 60, then it will be like monthly, weekly, daily, all above 60. Then we can enter fresh trade again for swing. Next is some of the previous cup pattern stocks. First is Trill. The resolution point was around 84.50 and current market price is around 77.55. The trade has not got executed as of now, and we can wait for upcoming week for the further confirmation. And once it breaks out of that zone on the upside, then we can enter fresh. Otherwise, we are going to avoid this stock. Next is Bharat Wire. The resolution point was around 165.85, and the stock has started moving on the upside with the current market price of around 176.35. Next is Fin Cables. Resolution point was around 758 and current market price is around 801.80. A very good momentum on the upside. Next is Univ Cables. Both of them are from cable sector itself. Univ Cables resolution point was around 349.80 and the current market price is around 367.60. Next is Dwarkesh Sugars. Resolution point was around 80.40 and current market price is around 92.95. And these are some of the cup pattern stocks, as well as some of the tracking trending stocks, as well as the whole analysis of what we can expect in upcoming week. I hope you have learned and enjoyed a lot from this particular session. I'll again meet you in upcoming video where I'm going to do the whole analysis of what are the stocks which we executed in last 10 days, as well as what is the exact profit and loss which we made in last 10 days. So I'll see you in the next video. Till then, make sure you share your takeaways below this particular video, as well as share this particular video with your friends and loved ones. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, live fully, love openly, and make the difference today. I wish you joy and abundance in all you do.